Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete or deactivate your Lwex account. So these days people are facing a lot of problems while withdrawing their amount from Lwex. So if that's the case with you and now you want to delete your account, you no longer want to use it, this is the video for you. Now first of all, you need to come on lwex.com and then log in into your account. Now over here, even if you click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, unfortunately you won't be able to find any of the options that could help you to delete your account. So if that's the case, you need to simply contact to the Lwex customer support team, and in order to contact them, you can either click on the customer service option or the help center option, and it will redirect you on their Telegram page. Or you just have to scroll down on this page, and here you will see their support email, which is support-lwex@proton.me. So you need to click on it and it will redirect you in your email account. From here you need to simply request them to delete or deactivate account, whichever you like. Then it can be possible from Lwex teams and that they delete your account or deactivate it. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.